We know you are looking for your dream car with startling design and superior features. But along with your valuable asset, you are aspiring for best after-sales services and a trustworthy relationship with your dealer. Then you have made a perfect choice. Gallops, a name that builds trust and relations. We are the reputed, leading and fastest growing automobile dealer across the state with 28 showrooms and workshops. All of them are unbeatable with regards to facilities and matches international standards. Every outlet of ours is utmost neat and clean and is always pleasing to the eyes of the customers. It's a matter of pride and honor to serve more than 60,000 customers in last 1.5 decades and bring smiles on their faces. And we are selling more than 1,200 vehicles every month, thereby adding more than 1,200 satisfied customers and building long-term relationship with them. Gallops Hyundai delivers Hyundai cars with excellent features, best safety measures and premium quality. Hyundai is the second largest manufacturer and has numerous expansion and growth plans. We feel pride in serving such high premium brand Hyundai. Because of the loyalty, sincerity and service of Gallops, Hyundai gave the permission of opening 3 outlets in just 2.5 years of span. We have 2 outlets of Hyundai in Ahmedabad, at Panjrapur and Amraivadi, and third now in the highly developing area of Vastral. We also have our presence in Maharashtra with 6 outlets. Gallops has almost 2,000 trained, dedicated and experienced employees to serve the customers. Our employees are given time and again training so that they are well versed with the newer technology and also about the company policies. They are the first phase for the company, and hence we want that they are able to answer our customers' queries and anxiety with complete satisfaction. We are well known for our finest and state-of-the-art facility with sales, service, spares, accessories, insurance, exchange and finance under one roof. Why go anywhere else when you can get assured result for your needs? We help you own your vehicle with minimum hassle and are available for you for 24/7, 365 days. Gallops Hyundai believes to stand with the customers even in odd hours with complete precision and latest equipment. We have proved our worth many a times and have been awarded for the same. With its 2 fabulous outlets, Gallops Hyundai is now adding one more feather in its cap and opening 40,000 square feet spacious, well-structured and finest outlet and workshop in the highly developing and growing area of Eastern Ahmedabad, Vastral. Vastral area has been industrially sound since quite a long time, but now newer townships and residential schemes have been developed, making it a quite high developing area of the city. We wish to serve our customers in every nook and corner, and so it's time to make our presence in Vastral. Gallops Hyundai Vastral is empowered with new energy, advanced services and exceptional features with eminent employees. We promise to render convenient sales policies, world-class service, easily accessible spares, finest accessories, user-friendly insurance, easy exchange and quick finances all under one roof for the comfort of our existing and newer customers. We have highly advanced and latest machines and techniques for car wash, car lift, repairs and maintenance. Our trained engineers also get the best environment to work efficiently in the workshop, so that they are able to repair the vehicles with great perfection and precision and can make timely delivery. We at Gallops Hyundai promise to deliver the best and turn every visit of yours a memorable experience, which is worth cherishing.